Almost there, little one. Need any help, Papa?
I'm done with these logs.
No, you're doing great, sweetie. Mother needs help too. It's good to see you again. We're ready to get started on this.
Thank you. The children are excited.
I can see that. We're gonna make sure this house is everything you need. The structure here is unstable, but with the right reinforcement, we can stabilize it.
What about the roof? Those panels look like they could blow right off.
We can secure those panels easily enough.
The porch will extend out this way to catch the morning sun.
And open up the views to the fields.
I like that. Exactly. Creating a perfect space for you.
42.5 feet, verify.
42, copy. Looks stable.
17 inches to the beam, structural damage evident here.
So this corner here needs to be reinforced.
Right, I've made a note of that. And this window.
We'll keep the original stone sill.
Welcome, we're ready to get started. Thanks, we appreciate it.
Mommy, what are they doing?
They're gonna fix up the house, honey. Look at it, we did it.
It's perfect.
Wow, it's so big. It's home. Look how perfect it is.
It's exactly how we imagined.
Can we go inside now? Soon, sweetie, soon.
Wow,
Look at this, it's even better than we imagined.
this is the best. We finally made it.
I think that looks perfect there, sweetie.
It does. And this one here.
Yes, just like that. Beautiful.
All right, let's get this final section of sod down.
Look at the excavator. It's moving the dirt.
Wow, this is gonna be so beautiful.
I love this house.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture.
Excellent work, gentlemen. Looks like the last one is almost in place. Good job, this section is solid.
Looks perfect.
Wow, it's finished.
We love it.
Look, it's done. Almost there. Just checking the wiring one last time. Perfect, perfect. The family is gonna love it. Welcome home, family. Look at it, just how you remembered.
It's beautiful, thank you.
Wow.
It's perfect.
It's everything we dreamed of. We're finally home.
I promise we'll be all right.
We'll get through this together.
Mommy, Daddy, please don't cry. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Welcome to your dream home.
I can't believe it. It's beautiful.
Thanks, Dad.
Wow. Look at this place. Isn't it amazing? It's perfect. Come on, let's pick beds.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect. This is the best.
Look, Dad.
We love it so much.
Oh my goodness, it's perfect. Look at the windows. Wow, this is amazing.
It's perfect, honey.
Oh,
Look at what we made.
Couldn't have done it without you.
And that's how we used to get to school.
Oh, I remember. Wait, how did you get home?
We ran, of course.
Welcome home. It's perfect.
Look, a big window.
We made it, sweetheart.
We did it.
I can't believe this is ours.
It's everything we dreamed of.
It's so pretty, I love it.
It's hard to imagine anyone living here. But what if we could make it a home again?
We did it.
And it's perfect.
Wow, it looks absolutely stunning.
I know, we couldn't have done it without all of you.
Welcome home, you two.
Welcome to our new home.
It's finally finished. We love it.
Come take a look. Look up.
Wow. We made it. So beautiful.
You look so happy here.
We finally found our home.
Let's go again.
Look at them all.
Makes you realize what's important.
Remember when we used to sit on that chair? Welcome home.
It's perfect.
We love it here.